Thanks to Luxe Bidet for sending me this sample so that I could try out their product and tell you about it. I was so excited to receive this bidet attachment. It's model Whift 185, and Whift is the name of the deodorizer that comes with it. It is dispensable through the bidet by pushing a button. Step was to turn off the toilet tank water supply and loosen the screws that hold the toilet seat on. Then slip the bidet attachment under the seat and position the U-shaped adjustment plates correctly to match up with the screws that hold the seat in place. And then tighten the screws. Next, we had to disconnect the water supply. So we put a towel down in case of drips. You need to keep the instruction book handy and follow the steps. Then check the cold water T adapter as described in the instructions. Connect the cold water bidet hose to the cold water T adapter and cold water bidet inlet. Connect the cold water T adapter to the toilet tank fill valve. Then turn on the water supply to the toilet tank and flush to be sure there's no leaks. Next, locate the pump tube underneath the control panel and connect it to the control panel. And last, attach the Whift toilet scent bottle onto the control panel, and you follow the instructions to preload the Whift deodorizer. Here's the bidet. We've been using it for about a week, and this is the button I told you about to press for the deodorizer. And you press it and it comes out here, and then here are the knobs. This front knob turns the water on and off, so you'll have to do that every time. And then these are the wash settings on the back one. You just turn the knob. And we love it. It works great. We are so glad that we got it. You might like to try one for yourself.